movement you're making there, Miss Allison? Yeah. You like kicking mommy? Whoa, you're strong. Can you go? Wow, that's a lot of spin. Yeah. Wow, you don't say. Oh my. I think you're full of it. Are you a ham? Are you being a ham? Wow. You got some serious bubble action going on there, Missy. Wow. Impressive. That came out the other end. You make all kinds of noises out of both ends. I think you're blowing bubbles so hard it's forcing air out the other end. Which is pretty funny. Oh my goodness. You have it all over your face. Yeah. Now you're gonna eat your toe?